today I'm going to say about my one weakness. I sneeze often. And because of the sneezing, I often fall down from the table. See? And not only this, sometimes I just fall. Ben is so caring. But still Tom is the best. Okay guys, bye bye.